What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Ruger Max 9. This gun comes in a cardboard box. The MSRP on this gun is $499. Of course, you can find it cheaper depending on where you look. Inside the box, you have your paperwork. You have the gun itself. It comes with two magazines. One is a 12-round magazine and one is a 10-round magazine. It also comes with an extra base plate. You got a lock. And you've got a tool to mount an optic to the gun. I'll get back to that in 1 second. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. Now this gun is considered a micro compact gun. It's in that crowded space with like the Springfield Armory Hellcat, the SIG P365, those guns. So is this a viable option for concealed carry if you're trying to carry something small? It's yet to be determined. When I do a full review, we'll go into all of the specifications. But let me just give you some of the key things about this gun. This has an overall length of 6 inches. The front sight is a really good selling point. This is a fiber optic sight, and the rear sight is drift adjustable, so you can make what adjustments you need. It comes with an external safety on this model. Now there's two other models. One of the models, the Pro model, doesn't have a safety. And then the other model just has two 10-round magazines. The slide width is 0.95 inches. The weight on this gun is 18.4 ounces. And I believe the trigger pull is between 5 and 6 pounds. The barrel length on this gun is 3.20 inches. I think the main selling point to this gun is the ability to mount an optic. It's already cut for an optic, and I will be mounting an optic on this gun. Also, another key selling point would be the magazine capacity. You got 12 plus 1 with the little extension right here. So I'm going to be doing a full review in the coming days, and we'll get into all of the specifications, and I'll give you my final thoughts and opinions. But right now, it seems like a pretty good option. I think it's competitive with some of the other offerings in the subcompact category. Appreciate you guys checking me out again. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.